What's going on YouTube? This is Trevors 3.0. Figured I would do a New Year's opening pack again. Gotta keep scrounging for that 20. And also do a kuei tower boss with low level characters like I always do. Now if I can't beat him the first match, I will try to beat him the second. Also, I was watching this really messed up show. I find it interesting. I don't know. Thank you. Okay, cool. I might actually even open up a pack. Since I got... I kind of want to stay in the 3000s, but... maybe, I don't know. I'm definitely opening up the New Year's pack, but I wanted to, have 3,000 left over from another pack. Anyways, I'm watching this autopsy show about Kurt Cobain's death. Now, they said there was... what was it? I gotta turn the volume down all the way because, heaven forbid, it plays in the background. I'm not sure if you remember a video when I had to go out of my room and grab something. I'm like, la 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 la, trying to scream so it doesn't... But I guess this guy's name's like Said Guru, and he doesn't care if his stuff's in the background, so I did all that for nothing. Go figure. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Alright, so... he had a blood morphine level of 1.52 milli... God damn it. 3411 it was stopped at. That's weird. If you turned it around, it would have been 1134. Okay, morphine level of 1.52 milligrams per liter. So what does that equal out to grams? I guess you'll never know because, like, per liter, okay, what did he use? I think it all depends on what... I'm not a math person. Obviously, you guys must know that by now. You can kind of tell by the way I am. Math is no. I don't speak math. It's like a different language to me. So, nope. 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 Uh-uh. 1, 2, 3. I feel like I'm missing something here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, I'm good. Why does it always feel like I'm missing something? Yeah, so if anyone can, I don't know if you're a big Nirvana fan. I did like Nirvana songs. There's a few things they did that I liked a lot. A few songs that I thought were very, very good. Uh, I remember when he died. I was, jeez, kid, but I remember hearing about it on MTV News when MTV was cool. MTV used to have a TV show called Liquid Television, Beavis and Butthead, and they played music videos. It was kind of weird. Yeah, I know, they don't do that shit today. But if anyone can find out if anyone can find out exactly how much, like, grams of milligrams, or, yeah, I don't know. If anyone can figure that out for me, I'd appreciate it. Like, transfer it to, like, yeah, grams, I don't know. It's the best way I have of thinking about it. You dick. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to bring in my big boy. Possibly. I mean, yeah, I think I'm gonna run out of time here. Gotta get him down to 25. Wow, that barely touches him. Nice. 6 seconds left. Damn. Yeah, I would have definitely. Now, from now on, any boss I come across, I'm using MK11 Sub-Zero. From now on, any boss I come across. Nice. That's horrible. I gotta go through this first, so I beat Lin Kuei boss. I should be further up on this, but I don't know. Sleeping schedule's kind of back, all messed up again. And, I don't know. Dealing with a lot of crap. I don't know what you would want to call it. Personal issues of family, I guess. I don't fucking know. 'Tis the time to be bitchy and whiny and just, ugh. I ain't gonna let that take my pride. Ain't nobody gonna hold me down. Oh no. I got to keep on moving. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Sometimes it's really hard for that thing to go up. I don't get it. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. Doesn't make any sense. Thank you. I know I started with 3,000 something. I'm down to 3,001. Okay. I see how it goes. Let's see how you guys do. Yeah, if you can't tell, it's pretty early in the morning. I woke up at like 4. Started watching some shit on my DVR I want to delete. And trying to get all the challenge modes to Baraka's, get them all up to Baraka so I can do that video. Possibly also open a pack on that day as well. You gotta be a bitch and try to fuck with me, didn't you? Take that in the face. Man, I am filled with just like liquid. No bueno. Yeah, I want to smoke a cigarette. That is horrible. I don't get it. Oh. Yeah, it's an addiction. Yeah, I always say, don't make a video when you, I've been up though for, like I said, I woke up at 4. So it's not like I just woke up, but I still not feeling the greatest. Hey, don't touch me. And that is the end of you. And you. See ya. Yeah, this has to not be good for you. Is it bad to hold, like, Wellbutrin? Is it Wellbutrin? The inhaler stuff in longer than it's supposed to? Because I try to hold it in as long as I can. They say hold it in for 10 seconds. I try to hold my breath for like 20 seconds or 30 seconds or a minute. And yes, for someone that's been smoking since 14, I believe it was 2 years ago, I held my breath for 2 minutes. I thought that was pretty... No, not 2 minutes. Sorry, that's ridiculous. 1 minute. For someone that's, you know, smokes all the time, I thought that was a pretty, like, wow. That's crazy. A lot of people would be like, that's nothing. Well, for a smoker, it is a very, like, wow. Been smoking for... God, let's even it out. We'll say, right. Holy fucking shit, 20 years. Yeah, I gotta quit these motherfuckers. Fuck that. I'm not dying from something stupid. I think dying from cigarettes is highly stupid. I feel like by the time I quit, it's gonna be, uh-oh, too late. Obviously, I'm showing signs now. It's like, dude, stop. Fuck. What do I go do? Light a fucking cigarette. Man, I hate these. Yeah, don't... If you haven't smoked cigarettes yet, and you think it's cool, or someone tries to peer pressure you, honestly, the best thing to do would be to beat the fuck out of yourself in front of that person. That'd freak them out a little bit. Some people. Or let yourself get your ass kicked. Because honestly, when I was a kid, I would have rather gotten my ass beat and not look cool. Cough up shit all the time and be on the verge of death. It's not fun. It sucks. It's horrible. And for some odd reason, it's like so hard to stop. I think it's because it's regularly available everywhere. They should prohibition, honestly, cigarettes. And I'm someone that buys cigarettes, you know, I buy them at a carton at a time because it's cheaper for starters. But that's even starting not to be cheaper. You know, back in like the 90s or late 90s, early 2000, if you bought a carton, you'd be getting it for like $45. You know, and the pack, though, would be like $5. So you're saving money. Now, you don't even save money buying a fucking carton in my state. They're like, fuck you. No, it's $71. It's ridiculous. And the fucked up thing is that you can get mad at, you know, you can get mad at the store clerk, the owners, you know, whatever, but you know how much money they're making on a carton? Supposedly. Now, I've heard this from 2 separate stores. I think they agreed upon a number. $2 per carton. The rest is tax. So either stop taxing the fucking cigarettes or get rid of them. One or the other. So I'm just sick of it. And at least if I grew my own tobacco or was allowed to grow my own tobacco, I know it would be a lot cleaner than the shit that I'm smoking. Granted, I know did I say granite? Granite is a hard rock. But granted, there wouldn't be the addictive chemicals, you know, like, I don't know, rat poisoning or whatever the fuck they stick in there to make your cells open up to oxygen so it gets in there quicker, and man, cigarettes are fucked. It'd be nice to be able to grow my own tobacco. Wait, I'm Native American. Is that legal? I should look that shit up. I mean, we use tobacco for like ceremonies and shit. Am I allowed to grow tobacco? I'm gonna Google that shit later. If I can grow tobacco for personal use, fucking right I would. No additive additives, just pure tobacco. That's how I would slowly quit. Because the addiction of the hand going to the mouth, the smoke going into the lungs. I wonder if it's hard to grow tobacco. Like if you live in a winter place. Now I'm still wondering, should I spend 400 souls? 450 souls? Eeh. I'm running out of souls here. These guys need to give me some fucking souls. Hook it up. They should know. Okay, by the way, if there's any, like, I would say there's 10% chance that I may have been able to got that pack brought back, the New Year's Eve pack or whatever, or the New Year's Day. What I doubt I did. I think they saw the margin or whatever it's called, you know, the money for the packs, and they're like, oh shit, a lot of people bought these. Let's bring it back. That's how I think that worked. So, that being said, I doubt they're listening to me. But if they are, the next Lin Kuei tower, don't give us fucking coins. Stop with the coins. Only give equipment. These things, I guess, because you have to have shitty things to give out. So give us these upgrades, I guess. Cards. So cards will go from good to bad. Cards. No. Whatever item that you're giving away for the pack, that goes up first. So for this instance, let's say Lin Kuei, you could do an update for the Lin Kuei pack. So there's no money. Lin Kuei equipment, cards, upgrades, well, souls, then upgrades. Upgrades should be the least thing you get. Not fucking cash. Look at this. 7.21 million. What the fuck am I supposed to do with that? Seriously, what the fuck? Eventually, it's gonna be like 999999999. It's gonna be it's nothing I'm gonna be able to do with it. It's ridiculous. Fucking ridiculous, man. That's right. I will get 100. Well, what am I gonna get? I'm gonna get 40. And then like 30, 160. All right, well, I'll get some souls back. I know you'd think I'd be further along on this shit by now. Especially where I'm at here. I'm like at the bottom of the fucking totem pole. I still got 6% chance on raiding though, so I'm happy about that. That's not going to get higher than Legend. So MK11 Scorpion, he's done. I know you guys kept saying, like, use your MK11 pack. Why the fuck wouldn't you do that? Well, if you notice, Scorpion doesn't work well. The reason why I use Hellspawn is because he gives bars to the other players. So it helps out at the beginning, you know? Bam, 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 bam. Light them up. Use everything I got. Well, for some reason he did not. He was not frozen. Why was that? Yeah, the shitty thing about family, you know, you want to help them out. But the only thing I can do is talk to them. It's not a financial problem. It's more like, you know, life problems and shit. And I mean, yeah, I've been down in the dumps to the point where I was like, fuck this. I want to end it all. What's the point of living? Damn. So, I mean, I get being depressed. I understand all of it. How I'm trying to climb myself out of it and how I'm doing it, it's pretty hard. I think I said it in a video before, you know, you can't let people dictate your behavior. You can't let people run your fucking life. You can't let them bother you. Fuck other people. So if you're getting mad, it's because you're letting them get you mad. Right there, just that one little saying helped me out so much. How many? Yeah. I always have to spend the feats. Sorry, guys. Aaron Black. Missing taunt. Who knows who has it? Oh, shit. Go you, Aaron Black. Maybe I should buy Day of the Dead pack. 12? Jeez, let's see if I'd like to get the Halloween stuff, because that's, oh, classic Sub-Zero, cool. But you can't let people get to you. Also, I don't know, that's been helping me a lot lately. I don't know why, it just, I don't know. It helps. Then, I mean, like I said, I'm not fucking perfect at it. I still get upset. I still get frustrated, but like that fucking asshole, what was it? What was his name? Stool Post? I mean, he's a fucking prick. But why should I let him bring me down? Fuck him. Literally, your name is Stool Post. I get the joke. Shit post. You're on there to be a troll. I get it. Ha ha. Funny, funny. Are you a grown-ass adult or are you a kid? I feel like you're a grown-ass adult because I don't think some kids are clever enough to think of stool post. Of meaning, you know, several things. So I think it's a grown-ass adult that is miserable with their own life that they try to make everyone else miserable as well. So if I could look at his account and look at his comments, I'm assuming 80% of them are negative. The only way it's not negative which it's still negative, would be him ganging up on someone, bullying someone. I don't want that shit on my channel. Fuck that. Like, feel free to speak your mind, though. You know what I mean? Don't hold shit back. But also, don't constantly attack someone. I feel like that's not fair. And having a debate and having a debate and pushing someone down are two different fucking things. I think I was trying to use the word, I can't think. I mean, I normally can't think during the day. After being awake for 2 hours, not having anything to drink, like wake up juice, I ain't doing so hot. But, berate, belittle, I guess would be the words. I don't know. I mean, I'm good. I like to debate. I like debating. I like debating. It's almost fun as masturbating. I like debating. It's mental masturbating. Here I go again, trying to think of things to rhyme. Going on my little rants. Oh no. Yeah, sorry you have to go through this, but if I'm going to open a pack, I'm not having this all fucking piled up. Like I said, I am a paranoid person. And I think a good level to be at, which I'm going to probably surpass it, which is going to suck. And really, the guy didn't even really say that much of a mean thing. He's like, the guy's not going to answer you because you're a scammer. That's pretty much all what he said, and I got really fucking offended by that. I was like, what the fuck you talking about, douche? I don't know why I got offended. I mean, really, it's... He called you a scammer. Whoop-de-fuckity-doo. And then when I saw his name, Stool Post, I was like, wait a second. This guy wants me to be all angry and pissed off. He wants to ruin my day. Why would I let a fucking post on YouTube ruin my day? I mean, I've had people say worse things, but in a nice way. Like, you talk way too much. Like, when I post something, like a comment, or use punctuations. And it's like, yeah, I know. So, and then there was another guy on this channel, on my channel. They're like, you think anyone's gonna watch an hour and something blank video? And I was like, maybe. I don't know. That's how long they go for. If they want to skip around, whatever. And then a few people. Who was it? Fucking, don't have my notebook anywhere. I don't know. It could have been Michael. Could have been. I think it's Tragon. 10-11. Could have been Kumar. I don't know. It was someone that was like, I do. I like hearing what the fuck this guy has to say, and I was like, damn, thank you. Yeah, so go fuck yourself, asshole. My videos are long. Yeah, because I'm trying to do a lot of shit. Didn't want me to click on it. Oh no. Damn, that's probably why. Wait. Getting the 400. There we go. I'm content. Give me another 50. No, don't. That's fine. Damn it. Mother. Yippee-ki-yay, mother. You guys ever watch Die Hard on TV? Where it's like cut out, you know? Good enough. Good enough. Really? So I didn't get anything? Just a few. So we back into that. Titles? That's it, huh? Really? Wow. Yeah, here's another tip. If you want to check out like what the shit the person has, honestly, I feel like this is better than, I mean, it has the strength pack, so obviously I'm keeping that on, but I like the other one better. I got nothing here? I like that one. Big mistake should have been the last one. I don't know. Just because it's like one of his big lines. And I remember Last Action Hero. Ooh, Scarlet. What do we got for her? Yeah, that's better than MK11 Scarlet. I like the last one. Taunts. Yeah, so Assassin is a lot better, I think. Really? Okay, so the last one's different, that's it? Man, whatever. Alright, opening pack. What should I do? Should I go for Day of the Dead? Should I go for Elite Outworld pack? Now I know Elite Outworld pack has Day of the Dead cards in it. Or I could go for Day of the Dead. That's 50 extra souls I gotta spend. I don't know, man. I don't know. 15% for an extra 50. 9%. What does it come with? 1 character card, 2 random card, 3 level up cards. You come with 2 support cards, 1, but you have a bigger chance. Fuck it. I might do both anyways just to see. Nice. Okay. Now I'm not going to do both because I already got a card. I don't think I'll get another one. I mean, the odds of me getting another one, fucking ridiculous. Especially at 9%. But, you never know. I mean, you saw my Devore fucking... If you watch my videos back, man, I got Devore. I was like, what the fuck? I don't even play with this fucking card. Why are they giving me this card? Like, is she good or something? Because I hate gold Devore. Yeah, I knew that was a dumb idea. But I did it anyways. Meh! New Year Diamond Pack. Alright, let's go for an epic, shall we? Epic. Come on, no whammies. Come on, no whammy, stop. No whammy, stop. Fuck you. You guys are fucking dicks. Nice. Thank you. I got Day of the Dead anyways, so... Dicks. Got what I wanted anyways. Thank you. I recommend... Now, this is a new idea that I thought of. Okay, you know how they have Elite Outworld packs you could try for $4.50? You know, they have Outworld... they basically have all of the Outworld, Netherrealm, Spec Ops. Why am I forgetting everything? Why is my brain not working? Alright, so we got Outworld, Netherrealm, Spec Ops, Martial Arts, right? So, what I think they should do is make it so they can make this $19.99, but I know people might get pissed about this. Add all, the 3 cards, but also change after the Lin Kuei Tower. The $19.99 Diamond Pack would be an Outworld pack. But this is up all the time. It never goes away. Like, once that one goes away, another one takes its spot, right? So, it would be a Martial Arts pack. Spec Ops pack. It keeps changing, and then it gives you a chance for the Tower of Horror cards that you didn't get, and the Lin Kuei cards you didn't get. Sounds fair, right? Sounds like a good idea, right? I think it does. I think it's genius. So yeah, I think that is a good idea. So I opened up 3 packs, got screwed on Day of the Dead, but got a Day of the Dead card anyways. So On that note, if you're new here and you like what you saw, please subscribe. If you want to have my videos notificated, hit that bell, I guess, right? Someone explained that to me, and I was like, okay, I see what I see, said the blind monkey. But yeah, please comment. And I know on one of those videos I got like 5,000 something views. Now, I thought that you can only, like, that's all separate. That's like 5,000 people looking at your video, because I figured I can't look at a video twice and give it another view, can I? Like, can someone watch the same video over and over again and give it a view? Comment below if you know the answer to that, because I don't think you can. I think once your account watches that video, that is one view. Another person watches it, it's another view. I don't think someone could repeatedly watch a video and get its views up, because if that's the case, why wouldn't I open up another account, view the fuck out of my own videos, or someone out there do that? Someone that's like scammy, or someone that would, take 200 emails, turn them into, YouTube, and then subscribe to themselves. Someone like that, I could see doing that with their own videos. So, I don't know. But, yeah, that's my video. So, like I said, comment, like, subscribe, and I am out.